Nice. Would you look at that? Finally, I have blinkers now.
It's time for something a little freaky!
Oh yeah. AnthWare proudly presents. Oh yeah. Butt RV.
It's totally fucked!
Decided to put these on because I want to get this thing roadworthy. Officially now, I have working blinkers. I am legal to go on the road now. Yes. So now, I think next mission is try to now get this thing into the doctor, get her some fluid changes, have it inspected, see how she's doing from sitting for a year. Yeah, so that way we can go and take this baby out and maybe take it to another state, you know, one that's warmer, and get this paint job done. All right, that's it. I've had it. I'm calling Mother Nature right now.
Oh, hey there, big boy. Thanks for calling Mother Nature's sex line.
What the hell?
How may I help you?
No, I just want to... Can I speak with Spring, please?
Okay, please hold.
I hate being on hold. Oh, hey. Where's Spring?
I'm sorry, but Spring's not in today due to weather.
You know what?
Have a nice day.
Go fuck yourself, Mother Nature. Today, I want to install the clearance lights. Originally, I was going to install them after I painted, but I'm actually kind of glad I'm doing them now because I am scratching the hell out of everything up there. So, although they're not very bright, but then again, yeah, I don't know. Probably at night they're a little bit better. But I want to get back to this. I got 3 more over here to do. Kind of a pain in the ass, I tell you what. Ugh. And being in a high spot in a high place, ooh, makes me nervous. Got the front ones done. Yeah, and started on the back here. I have 3 left here to do, but I'm running out of time for tonight. But I'm so happy because none of these worked. I didn't even know if the wiring was any good or anything, so I'm very happy to know that they work. So tomorrow I'll finish up the last 3 and then put sealant around it. Hopefully the weather holds up for me tomorrow. I gotta get this done so this baby is street legal. And now that is that. All installed. I even got the caulking on there, so yeah, just before the rainstorm hits. Let's go install some Reflectix. At first, I was just gonna go crazy and try to cut these into the window, but I discovered putting them in a square, stuffing them behind there and around there, it fits perfectly. I can even stuff it a little bit behind the paneling there. Right now I'm holding it up with tape, but what I'm gonna get, because as you can see from this side, the tape just isn't going to work. So I'm going to get some of those Velcro, you know, the sticky Velcro, and put Velcro in each spot where I want it to hold up. But otherwise, that's going to look good for privacy and keeping the cab cool, especially now that it's getting warmer. All right, I'm done with what I'm going to do this weekend. Let's see what I do next weekend. So the project of the day is... we're going to paint this screen door and the inside portion of this door. Yeah, and also replace the screen in it. Let's get started. And And there we have it. Look at that. Painted the back of it white, put in a new black screen on the door. Looks a lot better. Cool. I'd show it to you from outside, but even though it's a beautiful day today, it's one of those, yeah, it's beautiful, but windy as hell. Alright, now I need to figure out what I'm going to do tomorrow. I got to go to the hardware store and get more screen stuff, so I might finish up the screens on the rest of the windows as well. There we have it. I got that screen on and the one up there, and also did the same thing on the other side. Much better. Only problem though with this door, I'll show you, is this guy is hitting that, and it scratched my paint. I might put a sticker on there to keep that from happening in the future. Let me back up here now that it's not windy out today, give you a better view of what the door looks like with the new screen and paint. Yeah, looking snazzy. Over here in the kitchen area, I decided to hang up some of my artwork that was in my office. Fits perfectly up there. A little decorating in here. Yeah, looking good. Finished putting the Velcro up for the Reflectix on the side windows. Perfect. Ordered these online from Traveling Robert. This is his music CD, and this is his sticker. Let's go ahead and put the CD into the stereo.
Riding in my RV,
Wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV. Yeah, riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV. Yeah. Let's get that sticker. I think I'm going to put it right there. Yeah, just listen to the song. I can't wait to actually be riding in this RV after all this remodeling I've been doing. I am so ready to take her on a trip. And there we go. Got the sticker in there. Yeah. So what I have done here is taken some Eternal Bond tape and put it all over certain vents here. Now I'm going to attempt to put some sealant on it. And this is what I'm going to put on there. Yeah, let's see how this works and how it turns out. Well, I'd show you what it looks like the first coat on the roof. However, this showed up. Yep, winter decided to come back again for the end of April. Well, I'm going to wrap it up here. That's the end of this episode. And from this time and every time on, folks, keep on clicking on my butt-fucked RV.